highly recommend everybody to not do techniques in order to gain something or to get something. I think you should do techniques only for the joy of doing them. Hi, and welcome to Knowing Into Being. My name is Max, and as always, I thank you a lot for tuning in. Today I want to talk about a topic that is very important in my opinion, but it's also very overlooked. Almost nobody talks about that. And that is how you approach the manifesting techniques. So in this video you will learn how to make the techniques actually work much better by relaxing and by doing it for the fun of it and not thinking about anything that you want to achieve or gain. So how you approach the manifesting techniques is very important, and it can make a huge difference in the success rate of your manifestations. So I always recommend everybody to not do the techniques because you want to manifest something. I think you should do the techniques solely for the fun of it and the good feeling that it gives you if you do it correctly and come from a relaxed place for your joy and your perspective and identity and perception shift. In the end, if you do your techniques because you want something, this represents wanting, and what's the universe going to give you more of? Exactly, wanting. But if you do it from a place of calm and peace and joy and just feeling good, then you will manifest on point almost every single time. Why I say this is because I found out quite late in my manifestation journey that doing that really ups the manifesting success rate. And you can do the techniques just for the joy, enjoying it, for entertainment, for feeling nice when you do it, feel good when you do it. And you just like to experience your end, and this experience in itself should be the motivation to do the techniques. And if you receive a great bonus in 3D on top of that later at some point, then that's also amazing, of course, but it's just a bonus because you just like the technique and you do it because you enjoy it. Why techniques feel good or should feel good? It should feel good to shift your perspective, your perceptions, your self-concept or the concept of others, and not think about the thing that you want to gain or want to have or want to achieve. First of all, do it for the fun, do it for the good feeling, do it for the good experience that it is. If you experience your end in your mind, it will also feel very good, and your subconscious mind will not really know the difference between what's in your imagination and what's happening in 3D. And that's how you manifest in the end. When you change your mentality, that's what actually manifests. The technique doesn't manifest. What you want doesn't manifest. It's actually your state that manifests. And this is crucial, and that's why it's so important to approach the techniques with relaxation and entertainment and fun and feeling good. And if you do all this, then you will absolutely manifest on point, quickly and easily. When I did that, I suddenly manifested everything basically that I tried to manifest. But in that moment, I never thought about trying. I just thought about doing this and experiencing this technique just for fun. Changing your approach to manifesting techniques is like changing any bad habit, but changing your approach to manifesting techniques is actually much easier than that. So you always just have to be honest with yourself. If you feel you're doing it from a standpoint of wanting, then stop it, let go completely. Just think about the entertainment factor in your mind. If you want to experience this in a 3D, then why not just experience it in the 4D or 5D for the entertainment and the feel-good factor of it? Because if you enjoy this in 4 or 5D in your imagination, then why not do it just for that? So whatever follows afterwards is just a bonus, because you already enjoy that experience in your mind, and that alone is giving you a good feeling, and you can feel better all day, every day, if you approach manifesting techniques from this side. If you feel bad about something, or you want something very urgently, so it makes you feel bad thinking about it, then be aware of that and always seek relief. And the relief can also be found in experiencing the perfect scenes in your imagination. It can also give you some sort of relief. So just think about that. This is easy. This is fun, this makes me feel good, and the outcome in the 3D is completely irrelevant, because this experience in my mind alone is already really positive and giving me a lot of powerful and joyful feelings. From now on, enjoy doing your techniques in this relaxed manner. As I suggested, give it a try. If you struggle with letting go or stuff, please let me know. I can do more videos about it. The last week's video about the advantage method might also help you, and some of the very old animated videos on letting go and dropping importance and stuff like that. You can find it all on this channel. Thank you so much for tuning in. Thank you so much for watching the whole video. I really hope you liked it and that it is helpful for you. Thank you. And I cannot wait to see you in the comments or in the next video. So let's stay connected. Have a great evening or a great day wherever you are. Have great manifestations. Happy manifesting, and see you next time. Bye.